This video I'm going to show you the set rules feature that we have inside the products, and this is a very important feature because this is the feature that will allow you to send your buyer's data to the autoresponders of your choice. Alright, so we are going to be using the set rules settings right over here, and so to give you a quick context, in one of the earlier videos what I had done was I had created this product. Alright, and all the settings are done for this particular product, and in one of these projects I created this test page which was used as the sales page. This page was used as the checkout page, checkout one, and this page lazy loader was used as the thank you page. Alright, so just to give you the quick context that you are not lost, so I'm telling you these details that this product has already been created, right? You can watch the product creation training just in case you have missed that, so you can watch that first. Now it's time to pass the buyer's data to the autoresponders. So for that you will be using set rules, right? Now how to do that? Number one, you go to the set rules settings, and then you need to set up a product rule. Okay, now over here you need to select whether you want to pass the data when the product is purchased, and in coming time we are also going to add when the product is payment is declined or cart is abandoned. Okay, so we are going to pass that data as well. Right now there is just one thing, but probably you will watch this video when the other setting is also there, so I'm just letting you know. So product is purchased. Over here you can select for all the pricing options. So basically in the pricing settings you can have multiple pricing options for the same product, right? So you can select all the pricing options or a specific one, right? So in this example let me select all the pricing options. Then select an autoresponder. So the one that I have connected, that is the one I'm going to be using. In case you have not yet connected any autoresponder, so go to the settings, watch the video how to connect any autoresponder, and then you can connect an autoresponder. Alright, in case you want to use email marketing platforms to send emails to your buyers, so in that case you need to connect it over here. And then what do you want to do? You want to add them to the list. Going forward we are also going to have another feature over here, add them to the list or remove them from the list. Right now we only have one, so that's what I'm going to select. Okay, now I need to select one list where I want to pass the data. Right now let's say I want to select this list, test list, and let's say I just want to pass any new tag. For example, let's say ABCXYZ, just in case, just a random tag, and let me click on save. Alright, okay, so this is added now, and let me click on save right over here. Okay, so this product is now created. Alright, let me go back to the test page right over here, and in this particular page I just want to show you that this particular product, new product test, has been connected to the button. Okay, so let me just click, go over here, and you will see new product test. This particular product has been connected over here. Okay, so we are good over here. So yeah, let me click on action, let me go to the published URL. This is where we have the button. Let me click on the button. So now the product has loaded right over here. We have created the product, we have added the price and everything right over here, and let me add the details. Let's say I want to add some random details over here, and let's say I want to add some random strings, so that set rules video, I mean my regular email would be added to the list already, so I want to add a different email. Okay, let me click on complete order, and in the meantime let me pick up my phone so that I can complete the payment. So let me select the QR payment method. I mean totally up to you which payment method you want to select, right, or your customers want to select. Alright, so I'm done with the payment. Okay, so this thing is done. The customer has moved to the thank you page, but now what we want to see is whether the data has got added or not, right? So let me go to the contacts, let me refresh, and over here let me put the email ID that we just used for the payment, right? So if you will see, as per our instructions, the email ID has got passed. this is the email ID, this is the name, this is the phone number, these are the generic contact details of this particular person who purchased the product, in case this is me, of course. And the tag has got passed, the one that we selected, and it has got passed to the list that we added, right? Test list. So this is how the set rules functionality is going to pass your data to the autoresponder of your choice, and then you can trigger any automation and all the other things that you want to do after the purchase. Alright, so yeah, this is it for this particular video. I'm going to see you in the next one.